Sachs Mars joints, and who would have knew that sneaker would have grew to what it grew to? Then you had the astronaut looking joints that I just wasn't gonna wear. But third time's the charm. Thanks for the opportunity, Tom Sachs. On the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we are reviewing the nikecraft by Tom Sachs General Purpose. And real quick, first glance, clean shoe, man. When it says General Purpose, I mean you could wear this to the office, you could wear this to play golf, you could wear this out to the club. It's really general purpose here, man. As far as comfort, that's something we'll check out later in the video, but just off glance, it definitely has that general purpose look. As I told you in the beginning of the video, the Tom Sachs, the 2.0 yards, the red joints, that sneaker became so iconic that Nike tried to keep giving those colorways and different silhouette sneakers to try to relive that feeling, but nothing hit like the Tom Sachs joints. Sorry, Nike. But after that, he came out with the Mars joints that looked like a astronaut should wear them. That was totally off guard. So now he's back to earth with the general purpose joints, and they're clean, man. To purchase this sneaker, you had to enter a raffle on his website. I entered it, email. I got the email in about 3 hours, guys. I was shocked, and I was on vacation. I almost didn't open the email because I was on vacation, but I got the email. It took a while for these to come, about 3 weeks, but they're here now, so we got to do a full depth review on these. Yeah, so let's see what all the general purpose about, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your original Nike orange box, but it has some DB looking design on it. You got the Nike swoosh with like a swiggly line. nikecraft looks like a kindergartner or, you know, someone in first, second, and third grade wrote nikecraft there. Dope look. That's on top of the top. On the side, you have the same look. On the side, you have the same look. And on the front, it says General Purpose Shoe, Tom Sachs. The color code is light cream, white, light bone, General Purpose Shoe. When you flip open the lid, you have a large paragraph here. A large one. A big quote. And it reads, nikecraft shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. The design and construction of nikecraft products support all the activities. I'm not going to read it all, but that's basically it there. You have regular tissue paper, nothing special on the tissue paper. But on the sides of the box, you have what to be maybe like a, to me, it looked like what a crayon box would look like, but those look like markers. So it looks like the markers that wrote the nikecraft on the side in front of the box. And Here we go, guys. This is the left shoe of the nikecraft Sachs general purpose joints. So again, the colorway will make it look like a basic sneaker that brings out the general purpose look. You have like a inside swoosh. The swoosh doesn't pop out, but you see it's there because it's in that nice white sticker material. And it's cut off by the back. It got this mesh in the back. I guess this is the light cream colorway. And that's basically your side. The toe box, which gets dope because it has a nice mud guard right there. Caramel color. The black in it right there. And the inside here is like more of that sticker thick material. They said it's supposed to like keep out rain and snow. Again, general purpose. So it could be worn in the rain and the snow also. And there go your mesh material again right there. This nubuck suede around the toe box comes back around the shoelaces. And that's very dope. The shoelace color is the same suede as the shoelace box right here. Coming to the back now, you have a dope Nike logo embedded in that same suede that I showed y'all here. In the same color, gray I believe, but I don't remember reading that on the box. But this looked like a light gray to me, guys. The nice Nike logo boxed in. As you can see here, this blue heel tab right here, or pull tab. You can see that Sachs is totally away from the Mars look, which is usually beige and red. And he went general purpose with the blue tab on the back, blue tab on the tongue. Different from the Mars, man. Way different. Your Nike logo here is in a black with an orange swoosh. And it definitely pops. This might be the most thing that pops out of the sneaker. Besides the nice royal blue tabs there. But that orange there pops. It's a big, big, thick gum bottom sole. I mean, they're calling it gum, but you get this in hand, look more of a caramel, more of a candy bar look than gum to me. But that's the thick sole, and that's all the way around the back and the inside, all the way around. The bottom has the US patent in the middle, and thick, thick, thick cleat material here, sort of like the off-white joints I just showed y'all. But again, it's general purpose, so it's supposed to be worn, you know, sleet, rain, snow, just to the store, however you want to do it. Your nikecraft logo is at the bottom, the same as the box. On brand, the blue ribbons here is followed by the insole. Same color blue with that nikecraft logo again. Tongue is somewhat flimsy if you ask me. It feels like just one sheet of material, but it's real flimsy. I wish it would have had like the cotton in there, you know, like Off-White does, but it's a real flimsy tongue. Sachs on the back, general purpose, and yeah, just the Nike number and, you know, all the things that's usually on the back besides the general purpose and the Sachs name. Also on the inside, it's a dope cushion right here for your ankle. Nike SB feel like a little bit, but very dope for the comfort of the ankle. Because like I told y'all, this is like a one sheet here. It's like one sheet of material here. So they added the extra support for your ankles. This here is the right shoe, guys, and nothing's changed on this sneaker at all. Everything adds up to the left side. Let me check the soles. Yep, everything adds up. So the right and the left is exactly the same. To be honest, guys, when you get a big W like this for retail, you're hype. But then when you get the sneaker in hand, you realize it's not this first sneaker that came out from Sachs, the Mars joints. But clearing your mind of that, of the Mars joint, and just giving this sneaker its own slate, this sneaker is dope, guys. Like, it doesn't have all the screaming, you know, things that make you want the sneaker. But for it to be called general purpose and actually fit that bill is real dope to me. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this sneaker. My highlight of the sneaker is this blue, man. This blue is so dope, especially on this like beige regular canvas. This blue really pops for me. Right now, retail was what? I think retail was like $130. I can't even remember. It was like 3 weeks ago, guys. But it was no more than $160. And right now, StockX has pairs for $450, $500. So does GOAT. So I know the resellers are happy, man. But if you're trying to buy this sneaker just to invest to see if it's gonna go up past what it's going for now, $440, $500, I wouldn't do it because Sachs already came out and said there's gonna be 2 other chances to get this sneaker. So if you want this sneaker just for an investment, I don't think it's gonna work right now until that last drop come out. If you want this sneaker for wearing purposes, I'll say wait again because you got 2 more chances to purchase this sneaker via Sachs. Not me. Don't be mad at me. Sachs said this, guys. But it's a dope sneaker, man. Made for any kind of weather, any kind of outing. This is general purpose, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.